I want to make you be much more tolerant of people around you and not so judgmental. I want you to approach even the people that you don't like, that repel you, with a degree of empathy and even love, that you want to understand them. People are so quick to judge, and I want you to step back and instead of trying to judge and categorize people, understand who they are, get into their soul, their psyche. But you need to do the same for yourself. You need to accept the fact that you are an animal, that you are descended from primates, that you have emotions you can't control, and there's nothing bad in it. Stop even judging yourself.